Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. And today topics is SQL like operator, and we are going to discuss about the percentage wildcard and underscore wildcard, how these wildcard will be used along with the like operator, and let us see the how we can utilize this wildcard to fetch the record from the database. The like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specific pattern in the column. There are two wildcard often used along with the like operators. Those are percentage sign represent the 0, 1 or multiple character, and underscore sign represent one or the single character. Let us see one example and select the all the record that starts with the first name with the letter Z, and I will demonstrate you how we have to get this data, and I will show you that one by one, guys. Okay, and let me go to the database and I will show you this. Okay, this is the query. I'm going to use it. I will show you how to create the table, all those steps. Okay, and not to worry. Okay, all the records, what it is showing, all the records, it is starting with G. Whether it is the capital letter or the small letter, it doesn't matter. It is going to display the all the customer data. Okay, and see here, the similarly the same thing I have displayed it here, right? Okay, and see other example how the pattern SQL like pattern matching is going to work. Let us see the syntax is like operator. In the where clause we are going to use example. Think that our data has William uh, and Wilkinson and John. Okay, like if I use the W like after the single quotes W and percentage, if I use, what is the expected output? How the exactly inner way how it is going to work is I am using the syntax in the where clause like this, and mm, see it is going to match like the W. It will go here and see, okay, it is matching, pattern is matched, and the second records, and it will go and pattern is matched, and it will go to the uh, third records, the pattern is not matching. And what is the expected output is two are match, one is not, but matching records will be displayed for us William, and this is the things it is going to display. That is how we are displaying William and Wilson. This is the one example I have given you. Okay, let us see the other example here. Okay, in the like operated percentage on here the percentage at the end I have put, and I have taken the percentage at the beginning, on at the end. It means the any name or the any surname or ending with on. Here the name I have taken, any name that is ending with on, I want the data. See at the in the like operator, it went and it searched in the first record, and it is not matching at the end. Okay, the pattern is not matching, and it went to the second record. Okay, at the end on is matching, and the third record it went, and it is pattern is matching, and that is the our expected output is Wilkinson and Jason data is going to display like this. Okay, and let us see how we are going to implement this like operator in our local or the in the whenever the we are working in the real time now, how we are going to create the database, and how we are going to insert the data into it, and how we have to write the query for it. Let us see the one by one, guys. Okay, and let me take you to the implementation part, and how the exactly the implementation is going to happen. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do is we have to create the table for it. The create a table, customer info, I have taken the cust id and first name, surname and age and created. I have used this query and I have created the table already here, the customer info table. It is in the shop db. schema it is there. Okay, and what are the records I have inserted there is, I have inserted, what I have used is to insert the record into the particular table. I have to use the insert statement, insert into and shop db customer info and cust id. This is the column name, column names. Cust id is the first name, surname, age, and created date. These many columns I am going to insert the values. Okay, see here, the first is the cust id, second is the first name, third is the surname, and this is the age, and when it has been created. I have sample data I am inserting, around 50 records I have inserted. And after inserting into this here, so let me show you that. Okay, uh, this is the table. These are the records I have, 50 records I have inserted for the demo purpose. Okay, let us see how we are going to use the like operator in this first name, surname, like this. We can use it. Even we can apply in the like the other criteria as also the city and address, like this also we can utilize there is no problem with that. Here we are showing the um, like operator on first name as well as the surname. Let us go into the div and let us understand more. Okay, the first thing, percentage wildcard. Percentage sign represent the 0, 1 or multiple character. What I am going to explain here is, now the interviewer is going to ask the question, the print the all the customer starting with a B, they are going to ask the question. They are going to use the customer import table. In that case, you guys have to write the uh, query something like this: select star from table name. This is the customer import table, and where clause first name, like single quote or the double quote, b, it might be the b might be the capital letter or the small letter, and percentage sign, and close the single quote or the double quote and semicolon at the end. Okay, this is the thing we are going to display, and it is going to get the all the record, all the all the customer that starting with a b. Let me show you the practical way. Let me go to the database, and I have written the query here. Let me take this and I will execute one by one, guys. Okay, see here. See here, only the starting with a B, only starting with a B, the two records we have, it has displayed the all the record that starting with the B, it has displayed. Okay, it is matching here. Okay, okay. And what is the second one? What they are asking, the interviewer might ask you the other question: return the all the customers that site with a B or G. BRG. They want the all the customer like the first name start with they might be asking you to the surname or the last name. They might ask based on the interviewer question, based on the requirement. You guys have to change the query. Now they are asked start with the BRG, means my query should be like this: select star from table name. Here the table we are using is customer info. We are already created this table in the implementation I have explained you. And where clause, what we have to mention is first name, like B starts with B, and again percentage and or operator, and then first name like G percentage. It is going to display the both B as well as G. Okay, let us see it is going to how it is going to display for us. I have written the query for you. Okay, let me paste it here. See here, first name and like or operator. Okay, see, execute it. See here, let me short this one. See here, the B and G, only B and G, right? You guys are able to see, right? B and G. See here, B with start with the B, as two are there already. You have seen G. There are eight, six G and eight. Okay, let me show you if the G how many are there exactly. Okay, 6 are there, right? With the B, 2 are there. Totally 8 records. We have got it. Let us move on to the next example. And now we have saw the customer name start with starting with any letter or the any character we have saw. And let us start with the end with the what the end with will do is the here the percentage has to be at the end. Now percent has to be first, then whatever the letter we want the at the end, we need to put at the after the percentage. Let us see the how the query wise how the things will work. The interviewer, they might ask the question, return I want the customer, all the customer first name end with the E, please write the query, they will ask. During that time our query should be like select star from column, this is the table name, and where clause I have taken the surname here, okay, not the first name, okay, to demonstrate different way, okay, like percentage at the beginning only I have given, at the end I what I need E, okay, I will show you that what it is end with the return the record that one with a specific character or phrase, percentage at the beginning of the letter or the page, okay. Please understand that, okay. Okay, and let me show you the how the practically how it is going to work. Okay, I have taken the surname here, guys. Okay, let me paste it here only. Okay, surname, here is the surname, right? Okay, and this record should come surname I have used. How many records are ending? See, there's so many records are around 8 records are here. Surname, every records are ended with the E. You can change that record also based on your requirement. I want the like the A means you can change that also. A like this only it will come based on our requirement. We can change the queries, guys. Okay, let us see the what is the uh next thing. Starts with and end with within a one query. Okay, I need to implement in the one query means, okay, for example, the customer name should start with the G and end with the E means for the first name I am going to apply. Okay, for this I need to use the percentage at the middle, G at starting and end with the E. Okay, now they want to display this. Okay, let us see. See here. Now starting what I am mentioned starting, it should start with the G and it should end with the E. It is coming right, only 2 records are there. Okay, like this you can implement that. Okay, let us move on to the next important concept, the chart part is how the like operator we can use. I am going to explain this in the table wise. Okay, and the following table list common pattern used in the like operator. Whenever you will be going for the interview, you just remember this and you and practice these examples, and then you go for the interview. Definitely you are able to crack that interview by practicing this. Practice is the very important, guys. Okay, for the any intro like the testing intro, production support intro, like the if you are the beginner, if you are going for the intro, they might ask this kind of questions. You please watch this and your doubt will be clear. Still, if you have the any doubt, please comment on this video and I will get back to you with the answers, guys. Okay, and let me explain what is the pattern and description. I have made the 2 columns here. The first name like G means what it is going to do. I have already explained this. Return the record whose first name value starts with a G, small g or capital G, followed by any number of character or the number. Okay, and the first name like percentage A and percentage means return the record whose first name value contains the A or A at any position. If in the per column, it might be the any position. We are not specifying that in the, whether it is in the starting or the end. Okay, here it is the mention the start. Okay, if you percentage before means that is the end it will mention, but here I am not mentioning. It might be in any position, then it is going to return the that records. Okay, I am going to show you the practical way also. Okay, and let us see this. The first name, like if I mention like this, a percentage b means what? Here the semicolon is missing, we need to add that. Okay, return the records whose first name value should be start with a or a, last character should be b or b. Okay, it is showing. I have already explained, right? Last one. Okay, and first name, like the underscore a means return the records whose first name value contains the two characters. It should first name two characters and the second letter must be small a or capital A. This is the condition it will mention. Okay, and let us see the similar percentage is extra here, and return the record whose first name value contains the second character a or a. Okay, and like this, the first name, like the single quote, and three underscores are there here. Return the record whose first name value must be 3 character long, only 3 character long it should be, then only it is going to return. Okay, and here the along with the 3 underscores, here the percentage is extra is there, and what it is going to do, return the record whose first name value must contain at least 3 character or more data it is going to display. Let us see this practical way, guys. Okay, I am already written the query for you guys. See here, this is the query I have written you for all the whatever the pattern I have mentioned. I am going to display. I'm going to show you guys that one. Let me take. Okay, see here. First one I have already shown you. Even if you want, I can show you that also. Let me show you. Okay, but it is G. All the customer whose first name is start with the G means it's going to display the 6 data it has shown. Okay, and what is the A might be the any position. So I am not mentioning any position. That is the percentage A and percentage I am mentioning in the like operator. So see here. How many records? 37 records. See here, the first name here also is there, here also is there. Everywhere you can search, guys. See here, A it is coming, right? So like this, you can change the character based on your requirement, and you can, if the customer interviewer is asking that, you can write like this. Okay, and the second one. Okay, the customer first name should be starts with A and ends with B. Let us execute this query. Though none of the records it is coming. Okay, and if I use the different like the G and E, I know the G and E is going to work. See here, it has the start with the G and E, it has that. Okay, like this based on the requirement. Okay, and let us execute this one. And customer has the two character in length, but second letter should be A. We don't have anything. Okay, if I use the other character, it might work, but okay, let us move on to the next one. Okay, similar way. Okay, two characters should be, second letter should be A. If there is a no character, it just okay. Okay, it has the data. It has the data. Okay, so the second letter is A and greater than that one. So N A, second letter is A, and it might be the any other character. It has got the, we have around 11 record. You can see here, second letter is A everywhere. Second letter is A. Okay, it is asking for the only 2 letters. We don't have the any 2 letter start with. Okay, and the it is the 3 underscores are there. Okay, I will remove that. I will show you. Okay, so underscore and okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 characters. See, only one is there, right? Only one is there. So only one record with the first. Okay, that is the okay. The 3 letters are more than that means I need to add the percentage here. Okay, so how many records are there? More than the 3 letters? There are around all the 50 letters. Okay, it has included all the 50 records here. Okay, all the 50 records it has been included. Okay, okay, and we have completed this like operator. If you have any questions, please let me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.